Welcome to class 2. Today we're going to go over the roll-up. By now, you should have pretty much mastered or gotten very comfortable with the modified 100. So for the roll-up, it will come for now right after the 100. So after the 100, you're going to come back down to your mat. You're going to stretch your legs out a bit. You're going to breathe in. Arms go over your head. As you breathe out, again, you are going to tuck in and engage this magic muscle deep inside. As you breathe out and engage that muscle, you are going to roll up. And you'll see that I am picking my spine up off the floor. You'll do it a little faster than this. Vertebrae by vertebrae. As I come up, when I get comfortable, I will stretch my legs. And as much as my flexibility allows me today, everyone's different every day, I am going to stretch forward. Now you may only come to here and you'll feel that stretch in those hamstrings. Don't go any further if you start feeling them tighten up. You just want to get a nice stretch. Some of you are going to be more bendy and you're going to be able to reach over. You're still engaging those muscles. And as you roll back up, and you're going to come back down, you're still going to engage those muscles, and you're going to bend those knees wherever you need to keep stable as you roll back down. So let's try this 6 times. Breathing in and out, arms over the head, and then straighten your legs, stretching forward for 1. Let's roll back down. Whenever you need that stabilization, bend those legs, keep those abdominals tight, and down. So up for 2. And stretch. Roll back down. Up for 3. Stretch. And roll back down. Up for 4. Keep those abs engaged. Stretch, roll back down. I think that we're on 5, so up for 5, and stretch, roll back down, and 1 more for 6, and stretch, and roll back down. So now we're going to put the entire series together. We're going to do the 100 with, of course, 100 pumps, and then we're going to come up for 6 roll-ups. Congratulations on getting through class 2. So I want you to repeat these every day, going from the 100 into the roll up until you're really comfortable with it. You've got the sequence memorized, you feel good with it in your body, and then join me for session 3. We're going to go from the 100 and we're going to move into the roll up, both for the modified series.